So now we are going to see the structure of a chromosome. So basically the chromosome is situated in the nucleus of a cell in a clump manner. In the metaphase stage we can see it the whole structure. So the chromosome consists of two identical threads which are known as chromatids. Okay, so two sister threads which are present in a chromosome, they are known as chromatids. Chromatids are nothing like, they are thread-like structures which are seen inside the nucleus in the metaphase stage. So two identical thread-like structures which you can see in the metaphase stage and which are joined together by a structure which is known as centromere. Okay, so chromosomes, the carriers of genes which are situated in the nucleus. In the metaphase stage the structure can be studied. In all other stages they are in a clump manner, but in the metaphase stage we can see them as two separate threads, sister chromatids, which are joined together at the center by a centromere. Okay, centromere. So this is a chromosome, two sister chromatids joined together by the centromere which is situated in the nucleus, and these two sister chromatids are identical copies, and it is on this sister chromatids at various locations the genes are situated. So the position where the genes are situated on the chromosomes are known as the loci. So we can represent those genes by this white spots. So at specific intervals, at specific positions, there are genes on the sister chromatids. So this is a basic idea about the chromosomes. Okay, and the peculiarity is during mitosis what is happening is it is at this centromere the division is occurring. Okay, so normally a vertical division is occurring at this centromere and the two sister chromatids will be separated and will go to each pole. Okay, so during your mitosis I hope you remember there is a spindle formation, the division of the sister chromatids will occur, and all this is happening at the centromere by a vertical division. So it is dividing two sister chromatids joined together by a centromere. At the time of mitosis vertical division is occurring and the sister chromatids is moving apart. Okay, so that are the main things about the chromosomes. Coming to the number of chromosomes, we can see in the human beings, in the normal human beings, the number of chromosomes is diploid, or if n is the number, we can represent the number of chromosomes in the human beings as diploid. Okay, it is 2n, or there are 23 pairs of chromosomes or 46 chromosomes in normal human being. Okay, so 46 chromosomes are there in normal human being. In each species the number of chromosomes is constant.